that you're standing in your brand new kitchen, what is your favourite part of it?
Oh, so many things, but I love the pull-out spice drawer. It's amazing to have the integrated appliances because you're not looking at appliances that are stacked haphazardly or in the wrong places. So it looks amazing.
When I was designing this space, there were a few things I had in my head. I think you needed to be more social in the orientation of the cooking.
It's amazing, yeah, just to be able to stand here and cook and see people sitting over there, and it's just so much more open. It's so many more possibilities.
The downside then of a peninsula like this and a U-shaped kitchen is you've got two ends which are hard to access. They can often be dead storage. So one way around that on this side, on the peninsula side, is we have an extra deep cupboard where you can access it from this side. So you've got your storage, so this isn't dead. And then in the other corner that could be dead, you've got your demands unit. So there's no space wasted.